Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. DTC P0128 refers to a cooling system malfunction in the Honda HRV models from 2016 to 2022. This Diagnostic Trouble Code, DTC, indicates that the engine's cooling system is not functioning optimally, leading to potential overheating or inadequate engine cooling. Possible causes for this DTC often relate to issues with the cooling system, such as the thermostat being stuck, radiator fan issues, or even electrical faults. Components like the engine coolant temperature ECT sensors play a significant role in monitoring coolant temperature and are vital for proper engine performance. The location of these components is generally within the engine bay, often near the thermostat housing. The need for immediate attention is critical, as persistent issues could lead to engine damage. The error description under DTC P0128 indicates a malfunction within the cooling system of the Honda HRV. This malfunction may stem from various components such as the radiator fan, the thermostat, or the engine coolant temperature ECT sensors. The radiator fan is responsible for dissipating heat from the coolant. If it fails, the engine can overheat. Additionally, the thermostat regulates coolant flow. If it's stuck, the engine may not reach its optimal operating temperature. ECT sensors play a crucial role by informing the engine control module, ECM, about the engine temperature, allowing it to adjust fuel injection and ignition timing accordingly. These components are typically located in the engine compartment and require careful inspection during troubleshooting. There are multiple potential causes for the DTC P0128 code. One common issue is a thermostat that is stuck open. This prevents the engine from reaching its optimal temperature, causing the system to register a malfunction. Another possibility includes faulty engine coolant temperature, ECT sensors. These sensors may give inaccurate readings to the ECM, leading it to believe there is a cooling issue when there may not be one. Additionally, a malfunctioning radiator fan can exacerbate cooling problems. If the fan does not engage as it should, overheating can occur. Wiring or connection issues can also be a culprit. Frayed wires or poor connections can disrupt electrical signals and lead to erroneous DTCs. A thorough inspection is necessary to identify and address these issues. Symptoms associated with DTC P0128 can significantly impact engine performance. The most immediate indicator is the illumination of the check engine light on the dashboard. This prompts the driver to investigate further. If the vehicle's engine is overheating, this could be a sign of a malfunctioning cooling system. Drivers may also experience poorer fuel efficiency due to the ECM attempting to compensate for perceived temperature issues, ultimately affecting overall vehicle performance. Additionally, drivers may notice an erratic temperature gauge indicating fluctuating engine temperatures, which can cause further concern. Vigilance in monitoring these symptoms is essential for avoiding catastrophic engine failure. The first step in troubleshooting DTC P0128 involves turning the vehicle to be on mode without starting the engine. This allows for the diagnostic equipment to establish a baseline for the vehicle systems. Once in this mode, use the Honda Diagnostic System, HDS, to clear the DTC. Clearing the code can help reset any erroneous readings and can be crucial for an accurate diagnosis. Following this, inspect the fan control signals such as fan high control and fan low control. These parameters should initially be observed as off. The actual values need to be compared against the threshold values set in the HDS to determine whether the cooling system is functioning correctly. The second step requires checking the operation of the radiator fan. This is a critical component of the cooling system. and it should activate when the engine reaches a certain temperature. Simply monitor whether the radiator fan keeps running once it is engaged. If the fan continues to run, this indicates that the initial checks may have ruled out fan operation as a source of the problem. However, if the radiator fan does not operate correctly, it could lead to overheating and further complicate the issues indicated by DTC P0128. At this stage, gathering data on fan performance will help narrow down the potential causes of the cooling system malfunction. In this step, you will need to check the radiator fan circuit and the radiator fan relay for faults. The integrity of the circuit is crucial, as any breaks or shorts can lead to a DTC being triggered. A faulty radiator fan relay can also be the source of the problem, as it is responsible for supplying power to the radiator fan. If neither the circuit nor the relay is defective, then it is essential to consider that the powertrain control module, PCM, may require an update or replacement. If the PCM is determined to be outdated, updating it may resolve the DTC. Alternatively, substituting with a known good PCM can confirm whether the original unit is at fault, completing the troubleshooting process for DTC P0128. The fourth step involves verifying the problem by evaluating the engine's temperature. Begin by allowing the engine to cool until the coolant temperature falls to 104 degrees Fahrenheit, 40 degrees Celsius or below. This ensures that subsequent readings will not be affected by previous heat sources. Using the HDS, record the values from ECT sensor 1 and ECT sensor 2. ECT sensors are vital components that provide the PCM with critical temperature information. After starting the engine, observe ECT sensor 1 until it rises by 40 degrees Fahrenheit, 22 degrees Celsius or more from the previously recorded temperature. It's essential to then compare the reading from ECT sensor 2 to see if it is increased by 13 degrees Fahrenheit, 7 degrees Celsius or more. This systematic comparison will indicate whether a thermostat replacement is necessary or if the system is functioning as expected. After all repairs have been made due to the DTC P0128 code, it's crucial to perform a final verification. Start by rechecking all connections to the ECT sensors, PCM, and any components involved in the repairs. Once confirmed, clear any stored DTCs using the HDS. Following this, a road test is essential to ensure that the issue does not recur and that the cooling system operates effectively. During this test, monitor the engine's performance closely. The temperature gauge should remain steady, indicating that the cooling system is functioning as designed. Proper verification is vital to ensure long-term reliability and that the root cause of the DTC P0128 code has been addressed effectively. Preventive maintenance plays a significant role in avoiding DTC P0128 in the future. Regular checks of the cooling system ensure that all components are functioning correctly and any early signs of wear can be addressed. Additionally, periodic inspection of the ECT sensors can help catch issues before they escalate into severe problems. It is also essential to maintain proper coolant levels. Low coolant can lead to overheating and trigger DTCs associated with cooling system reliability. Keeping an eye on these aspects will not only prolong the life of the cooling system, but also enhance engine performance and efficiency. Adopting a proactive approach prevents the recurrence of issues related to DTC P0128. In conclusion, DTC P0128 indicates a significant issue within the cooling system of the Honda HRV models from 2016 to 2022. During our troubleshooting process, we covered multiple steps, including checking the radiator fan operation and inspecting the ECT sensors and their connections. Each component's role in maintaining engine temperature stability is vital. A single malfunction can lead to overheating or poor engine performance. Regular maintenance is not just suggested, but crucial for the longevity of both the cooling system and the entire vehicle. By understanding and preventing this issue, owners can maintain their Honda HRV effectively, while avoiding costly repairs in the future. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time!